Me! Oh no!
Down on your hands and knees.
That sucked, actually. Let's go. Come on, push. Almost there. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. One more. Woo! Teamwork, staying with your teams. We want to make sure that everybody always remembers the buddy system. We're never leaving anybody behind. We're never leaving anybody in another part of the course. Safety is always first in that aspect. Part about the hurricane heat, we get to have no rules. We get to do whatever we want out on this course. You get to come out and do a Spartan race and have free reign. You get to do multiple of your favorite obstacles 2 or 3 times or 5 times. Yeah, it's hard, it hurts, and it sucks, but you are pushing your body farther than anything else. You know, this is a completely different feel coming out here doing the hurricane heat, other than I'm doing a regular Spartan race.
First hurricane heat. You guys don't know me, I've done a few Spartans before. I crawled that for a reason, all right? You know, I'm sitting here having trouble with this shit, doing all this. On Wednesday marked 7 years when I got blown up. I'm grateful to be here to do this because 2 of my buddies didn't make it back. So I crawled for them. And I appreciate, because all you guys crawled for them. Their names were Derek, I'm sorry. Their names were Derek Holland and Scott Haggerty. Hey, for Derek and Scott! Derek and Scott! You know, last weekend, I did Miller Park. I had a buddy missing both his legs who can't walk on them yet. On his prosthetics, asked, "Oh, can I do a Spartan race?" So got a few people together, we did it with him, and he said, awesome. I plan on crawling the course. And I'm like, no, I gotta crawl the course, asshole. So, guys, thanks a bunch, man. I appreciate it. You know, look, and there's one more thing I want to say. Guys, don't give us pity. And let us do it. Believe me, man. If you told me 7 years ago I'd be doing this shit, I'd be like, get the fuck out of here. So, guys, appreciate it. Awesome job tonight.
Yeah!
Let's say a few words.
Guys, fucking awesome time. All right. I thank everybody for pushing themselves. All right. Sure, you can have some water. Seriously though, exactly what Earl touched on, man. You know, like everything that we do as a team, our Team Veterans Expeditionary Teams, everything that we do as a team is for our brothers, it's for our community. Every time that Earl's out here doing a race like this, he's doing it to inspire somebody who may not think that they'd be able to do something like this. Everything that we do is for our community. We seek to push to inspire people so that people can know that, hey, you do not have boundaries. You don't have freaking limits unless you freaking push them. Okay, you can overcome anything. There is nothing that can be set in your way if you freaking overcome your mind. Okay, you guys probably were like, fuck, like I don't want to do another damn burpee. I don't want to do another this, but you did it. Okay, this freaking thing, I don't know what guy was smoking what weird shit. Okay, but this thing is crazy and it's hard, and you guys did it at the end of a freaking hurricane heat. So give you guys a round of applause right now. Okay, you guys came out here and you did what you had to do. We are gonna finish strong, okay? We're gonna finish as a team. Where is he? Where is he? Right here. No, not you. Where's Rob? Sure. There you go. Rob!
What?
He's right here.
He's right there.
Sir?
Alright, let's go.
Come in here.
Oh, son of a bitch.
You, Earl stole my water.
It's no longer water. Yeah, I don't really do speeches, but awesome. We started. Ronnie, where you at?
Right here.
Right here. Ronnie's been here since 3:30. We put Ronnie to work right away.
Yeah.
So, fantastic job showing up early and just taking care of business. I'm sure as everybody came in, they started seeing Ronnie. He was pushing people in the right direction, getting things done. You guys have been going as far as the hurricane heat is concerned for a little over 4 hours. So usually we go 3 hours, and we would love to go a little bit longer. The medical staff, however, needs to get their beauty rest because they need to be back here tomorrow morning when the actual race is happening. So unfortunately,
So don't most of us.
I know, right? Yeah, so unfortunately we need to cut it a little bit shorter than we would like to. I had some stuff planned for the penny, the ping pong ball, the hacky sack. There was going to be an epic hacky sack session, but unfortunately didn't happen. Didn't work out that way. But again, fantastic job to everybody that showed up.
Okay, so I am the Hurricane Heat instructor here. My name is Anthony Droz. This is Earl Granville. We just got done with Hurricane Heat Class 070. So tell me, man, how did you like the Hurricane Heat?
How did I like the hurricane heat? Well, it's definitely a challenge. I liked a lot of teamwork involved, and it was fun.
Okay.
Something new, I think, than other than just a typical OCR.
So it's cool to be able to, like pretty much go off course and be able to go back on course.
I think so too.
And,
There's no real set schedules. You're not following a path like in the OCRs, and instead we're just taking instructions from.
Okay. How did you like being able to do obstacles multiple times? Is that something that you feel is a lot more fun, because you get to experience these things multiple times?
I like the idea of multiple obstacles. Like I think going over the wall a few times, the cargo net wall a few times. Like
yeah.
You're doing it more than once, and you get to challenge yourself a little more.
So that was probably like your favorite part then, is maybe doing the obstacles, or?
I think so. I like the obstacles, and believe it or not, I liked how we all work together, like counting out push-ups.
Yep.
Like a lot of military instruction going on with
Yep.
this, which I thought was pretty neat.
Okay, so there you guys go. That's just a little recap on what we do out on a hurricane heat. So make sure you guys check it out. You guys come out, you do a hurricane heat. We want to have you guys come out here, and we'd like to hurt you a little bit out here, So thank you guys for coming out. Take care.
See you guys.